What's up? Welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a maintenance vlog. I gotta go and get my hair done today. I actually have two hair appointments. I have a hair appointment today, and that's for my natural hair. I'm going to be getting my hair washed, blow dried. I'm going to be getting some hair treatments for my natural hair and some hydration treatments, apple cider vinegar treatment, and I'm also going to be getting a braid down. And then tomorrow I'm going to be getting a wig install. I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me. It's about 12 noon. I woke up late today. I mean, like, I wake up late every day. Woke up late today. I'm not having any breakfast yet. I'm only having an apple at the moment. This is what I am wearing to my hair appointment. Nothing fancy. I just threw on some slacks, and I have this little shirt on here. I'm going to be wearing the Victoria's Secret Lost in a Dream, but I'm going to be layering this. And then I'm going to take the Flower Bomb. Let me know down below if you want to see a review. Okay, you guys, so I'm on my way to my hair appointment. I'm gonna be like 5 minutes late, but that's okay because I do get like a 15-minute grace period. And then I do think I remember her saying that she may or may not be running late with the person that's in front of me. Yeah, I can't even get the scrunchie out of my head. It's so cute. It's coming along. It looks so good. I love the chair. She's adding on. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Huh? I don't know why you don't see me. I'm getting my hair done right now. Grandma, you gotta press the camera button. Grandma, you on pause. Okay. My hair.
Yeah, you have high porosity right now.
Which means I need a lot of moisture?
Which means you do need a lot of moisture, but you need more protein treatment. Because with your cuticle bone open, how you smooth those cuticles, of course, is protein. So, high porosity means that you're not able to absorb or keep moisture. So it's not like...
So, okay.
Yeah, we need to work on sealing your cuticle a lot. So like,
okay. And so how often, so does that mean I have to like wet my hair more?
No. Okay. So you can seal your cuticle with oil.
Oh.
You know.
So I have to oil my hair more.
You have to oil your hair more, but you have to give it moisture as well. So if you want to wet it and then seal it in with moisture, that's fine. But say for instance you spray your leave-in conditioner on there, which has water in it, it's moisture based, then you seal it with oil. You want to keep it.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
Okay.
But then protein also helps to smooth down the cuticle as well.
Y'all, look at it. It's bad. She said it's bad. We have to do what we have to do, y'all.
Oh yeah, it's you know, it's growing out good, but it's just, you know, the cuticles are wide open. So what I would do is I would cut it up here.
Okay.
I would bring it back up here.
Okay.
One, because you can stop seeing through it a little bit.
Let's do it. Got my braid down. Okay guys, so we had appetizers. I had the we shared appetizers. I had the crab cakes, and then that was the crab and spinach artichoke dip. We went ahead and got the checks. We're about to wrap everything up. Okay guys, so I am leaving Papados now. My friend is in there getting plasticware. The Huda Beauty concealer. The girl recommended this one. What's up? So I just got back in the house. Here is like a better look at my hair. This is a closure wig. I got a side part. I just needed something really quick for my hair. Right now, you guys, my vanity looks an absolute mess. Okay guys, sorry about that. I had to clean my vanity off a little bit. I have a few things that's going on right now. So I picked this up from Sephora today. I ordered it online today while I was getting my hair done, and by the time she was done doing my hair, I was able to go and pick this up. And then while I was in there, I went ahead and grabbed the Huda Beauty concealer. This is in the shade Peanut Butter. I also got this lip sleeping mask. This is the Sweet Cotton Candy from Lineage. So I'm gonna open that up later. So now I want to open up this package. So I ordered that today off Sephora, and then I ordered this package probably about like 2 or 3 days ago. You guys know I've been on the hunt to find my perfect birthday I'm talking about birthday foundation. I'm on the hunt to find my perfect birthday fragrance. So let's see what's in the box. This is the replica Summertime in a Park, I think. Yes, Springtime in a Park. This is the replica Springtime in a Park perfume. I went into Ulta the other day. Not Ulta. I went into Sephora the other day. And I actually smelled this when I was picking up my Flower Bomb perfume. And I'm like, definitely I gotta have it. I couldn't stop thinking about this, so I felt like this would actually be a perfect option because it smells very florally. Again, I'm having a floral wonderland birthday party, so my perfume scent needs to be extremely floral, and that's really the only things that I care about right now is like my outfit, my wardrobe, my makeup and everything, because I did hire a party planner. So a lot of things that I would normally be stressing about throwing a party, I'm just not stressing about because I have help. I got the Huda Beauty concealer. This concealer came out this year, I believe. So yes, you guys, I think the concealer was $29. It came out to be $36 with the taxes, but I did have a discount put on there. I got like 10% off, $10 off, because I had like 500 points or something like that. So I got $10 off of that. So yes, you guys, that's pretty much everything that I did today. Got my hair done, which is all that I wanted to get done, and then I picked up a few things.